72 volt upgraded razor, 6-month update. The electro&co swagged me out. Well, they didn't really swag me out, but I paid for it. But it's been lasting up so long. Battery, everything, fire. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you guys how much fun you really can have on one of these things. 6 months later, still no problems. I think I did break a voltmeter because I did slam pretty wild, you know. And actually no, I just actually like I was on the street one time. I just dropped the bike like randomly because the peg scraped. But other than that, no problem. Oh. Yeah. But other than, you guys should definitely check out Electro & Company. This is also not a sponsored thing. I've said this before. I'm not a sponsored rider for them or anything. I actually just pay with this stuff with my own bread. Kind of wish I was sponsored. If they watching this, someone hook a boy up with a kit or something. That would help out so much. But make sure you guys take the chance to, if you already haven't, subscribe, like, comment, drop something. It helps the channel more than you guys really know. But we out here just ripping it. I'm out here keeping up with the 125s on the dirt. These guys still kind of in shock. I want to say baffled to be like honest that I can keep up with them. It's just really like when it gets really rocky and stuff, or really like a lot of sticks, or like if I gotta do like a lot of jumps and stuff, it's just like I can't keep up. Like the jumps are fine, but like it's just like when it's like the terrain is just really choppy. The power is unbeatable, unmatchable, but it's just like only if I had a good suspension I could easily keep up and like just dominate. Maybe not dominate, but have a way better shot at racing with these cats. Battery holds up superb and stuff like that. But I'm gonna let the video speak more for itself, and I'll let you guys enjoy. For those of you guys that are wondering, this is actually a track that is near where me and my friend live, so only really locals know about it and stuff like that. Ow, damn! But ran right into it is what it is. I wish I could bring more people, but one, it's a kind of hard to get to. Like, it's not really only a hard part about it. It's very hard to get to if you don't know like the ways in, because it's like a bunch of trails past us, like past our house, and there's a bunch of trails like on the other side of our house, so like there's a lot of places to ride in between there. And like obviously if the kids that do ride stick to the outside ones, they don't even know about this one. Even if they watch this video, maybe they'll figure it out, but I doubt it, you know what I'm saying? But getting back to the 72 volt razor, I really can't say much about it. It's just all fun, all smiles. Like you hear the yous and the woos. Oh no! I can't believe it's something that you could just build, and it's very simple. Like a lot of people think that some of these electric kits or electric motors and speed controllers are very confusing. A lot of it's just screw on or plug in too. It's just a lot of it is just like making sure you got the right voltage, the right size battery with the right size BMS and stuff like that. But if you got all your parameters right, like anyone could do this. It's not just for like the hobbyists or the people that do e-bikes. It is something for everybody. And I just wanted to show you guys that it can be done and it has longevity. And I do a lot of wheelies. I only come out here and hit this track every once in a while just because I don't want to blow up the spot too, even though it's Even though it is really low key, you just don't want to blow it up. I want to just be making donuts, even though we were doing donuts and messing around and stuff. It's always a good time back here. The leaves on the ground definitely make things a little more challenging when you're cornering, especially with the tiny wheels. I'm like, man, if I got some big wheels on this, like some Fat Boys or something like that, I wouldn't be like getting the squirrelies all the time in the back. But at the same time, like that's what gives me all the extra power and like them tiny wheels. But soon, I'm gonna have a solid suspension on this thing. And I'll show you guys another update on that, but that's for another day, another time, another place. You feel me? But if you guys have one of these bikes and you from like the tri-state area, like New Jersey, New York, PA kind of area, hit me up. I'm trying to ride. Like I'm trying to hit the wheelies in the streets on the minis. It's because they don't even hear us. I ride wheelies like every day. Well, when it's not super cold or raining. Even though I could ride in the rain, but I just don't want to because it's so cold. I don't like the beady beads just drilling me with the little raindrops. I hate that. But look at this. Like he's not getting away from me. It's just like the stupid suspension is really slowing me down. Because also the no shifting helps. You. My fucking foot peg like went up. I almost ate it, yo. Follow cam, getting crazy over here. That TRZ got some juice for no reason. Some wheels, he can corner so much better than me. Look at him splashing out over there. Woo. Woo. Too wide. Too wide indeed. Woo! Oh! So much seat bounce. Woo! Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! A great time to be alive. It sounds corny as it sounds. The Razor, I think they're on a 2.1 kit now. These guys are the truth. They're pushing out 5,000 watts. I tested it. I think it's the truth, and it's holding up. So I'm gonna keep posting videos. I hope you guys keep watching. A lot more stuff coming soon. More wheelies, more off-road, more street stuff. Hope you guys really stay tuned, because we love doing this. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, whatever you guys gotta do. More content coming soon. Peace.